we will be installing NPM and all the related packages that we will need in this course. And NPM is short for Node Package Manager, and this comes bundled with Node.js. And Node.js, if you don't know, is a JavaScript runtime and generally used in the backend of applications. So to get started, we have to install Node.js. To do that, just open your web browser and type in Node.js and click on download. Now there are two editions from which you can choose. The first one is long-term support or LTS, and the second one is current. Now this has the latest features, but we won't be needing any of the latest features, so we'll just stick with LTS. And I am using Windows, so I'll click on Windows Installer. You click according to your operating system. Now I'll just save. Now once you open the file, you'll get the setup window. Just click next and accept the terms and click next. You can change the location if you want to, but I'll just leave it as it is and click next. As you can see, this installs NPM package manager and adds it to path, which is what we want, and click next. We won't be needing any additional tools, so I'll just click next and click on install. You'll get a prompt. Just click yes. This will be installed in a couple of seconds. Now, as you can see, Node.js has been successfully installed. I'll just click finish. And now go ahead and open up PyCharm. Now just open the terminal. If it is not open, just click on this terminal icon and this will open up the terminal. Now first of all, you can just check whether NPM is installed by just typing in npm -v and hitting enter. Now this basically indicates that NPM is successfully installed and the version number is 6.14.8. Now we will be installing all the NPM packages. To do that, just type in npm install -g. This means that we will be installing the packages globally. The first package that we need is called nodemon. This basically restarts the server whenever we save any changes. You'll understand this clearly as we use it in the course. And the second package is called local tunnel. Now, whenever you create a server in your system, it stays local to your IP address. So people outside your IP address cannot have access to your server. Now, what local tunnel does is it assigns you a website URL, and when the website URL is queried, it proxies all the requests to your local server. So in other words, it kind of makes your server accessible online. So this is why we need local tunnel. And hit enter to install both the packages. And as you can see, local tunnel and nodemon are installed. Now we will be installing all the Python packages. To do that, just type in pip install . The first package is called Flask. Now this is used to create our server. And the second package is Twilio, which is our messaging API. And the third one is PyMongo. This is basically to interact with our database. And the fourth one is a dependency, and it's called DNS Python. And basically this Twilio depends on this particular package. So we have to install this and hit enter to install all these packages. So as you can see, these are all installed and we are all set. These are all the packages that we need, and I will see you in the next video.